Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So I just want to point out two shoes that I know I'm interested in, and you may be interested too. So these have already both released, and I didn't know this ahead of time, but I did find out recently. On October the 30th, we do have a new Air Jordan 2-3 colorway come out. And the only reason why I mention this because I love those UNC colorways. This one's called University Blue / Midnight Navy. This one more reminds me of a obsidian because it does have the navy blue as well as the light UNC blue. And let me know your thoughts in the comments about that. This pair it retails for $160, as well as we do have another Spizike, and this is another Jordan Spizike Low UNC. It does feature that UNC colorway. As you know, I already have bought the Jordan Spizike Low Houston. Check out that video right there. But those two shoes are on my radar, and I know that the Spizikes are already performing on the retail. So let me know down in the comments if you had to choose one, which one would you choose? Would you get the 2-3 or the Spizike UNCs? Comment down below, sneakerheads. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. So these are the shoes that came out from October 6th through October 12th. I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So on October 8th, we did have a Nike Vomero 5. This was for the GS only. He's called the Spider. And this was a Halloween Vomero 5 that did glow in the dark. It did come at a price point of $110 for the Bebes. In all sizes, sold out. I say again, all sizes sold out. So what we got next, my brother?
So on October 11th, we did have the Nike Low What the Ducks, according to Nike.com. Price point for those was $275, but according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. Nice work there.
So moving on to the last shoe of the week. On October 12th, we did have the Jordan 1 Low Howard. So these were released on the sneakers app for a price point of $140 because it did have that OG branding, and they raised up the price to $140. So me and my brother was able to cop us a pair. They were sitting around on Nike sneakers app and then slowly sold out. So again, this is a good week for Jordan Brand and Nike. All three shoes sold out in 1 week. That's very good. We do know that Jordan 1 Low Howards are performing on the retail right now. I am possibly looking to get another pair to put away for later because, like I said, my team is the Houston Texans, and I do see myself rocking these shoes a lot. And like my bro said, they will get dirty and scuffed up, so I would like to keep me one on ice. But comment down below if you were able to pick you up a pair. And if not, are you looking to scoop you up a pair of these Jordan 1 Howard Lows? This was a very clean shoe. It did have premium materials, and I think it's not necessarily worth the $140, but it did come with an extra set of laces. So, they may prove why. I mean, that ain't the reason why they're $140, but the reason why they're $140 is because they have the OG branding. But let me know down in the comments where you're able to scoop you up a pair.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.